My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say, for inside one new report by the World Bank, they don't flag massive corruption for inside the water sector of this our green country will be Nigeria. The Global Financial Organization will make this new revelation inside their recently released fiscal year 2024 sanctions system annual report. They yarn say the unaccounted funds were meant to improve water infrastructure for inside the country Nigeria, but they can't embezzle the money. This discovery now was made by a division of the organization, and they are known as Integrity Vice Presidency, and that na INT. No be small matter like this, so my good people. See this division where they go by the name INT, they investigate and pursue sanctions where they related to fraud and corruption for inside World Bank Group financed projects. That is to say, any project at all where World Bank their money they involve. Now this division now they investigate any form of corruption for inside or any form of fraud. Now according to the World Bank, this division will be INT, that is Integrity Vice Presidency. They been follow up on risk where they identified regarding a project for inside the water sector of we nation Nigeria, and it was very much flagged to operations the risk which was associated with $32 million of unaccounted funds. As a result of all these levels, the project team can ask the central bank to reimburse the full amount, which is $22 million, and limited the remainder of the project to direct payments. The local accounts now they remain with about $6 million for inside their indisbursed balance, a little more than the anticipated PIU expenses for the remainder of the project. The chief suspension and debarment officer in determined say the respondent to be a Nigerian individual is very much engaged in a corrupt practice in connection with a consultancy contract under a social safety net project for inside Nigeria. No be small matter like this, so my good people. Now make you no bad see if all these levels now just wine, make you no bad see if all these levels now just baseless accused. Specifically, the chief suspension and debarment officer in find out say the respondent be make 2 payments to an intermediary that were to be further transferred to a public official in order to improperly influence the officials their action in connection with the contract. Then the suspension and debarment officer can impose a debarment with conditional release for a minimum period of 2 years and 1 month. So like this now, my good people, this now another case of another corruption. Is very much disheartening, as in it no make sense at all. Say this our nation Nigeria no dey cease to disappoint. They go collect money from World Bank, say they want to do projects we no go see money qua nobody go still see am. All these kind of levels normal, it no make sense. The day where this our nation Nigeria go make sense for the general public, the day where all this corruption go just end once and for all. Now wetin country people they eager to experience. Anyhow this cocoa be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another legit and interesting information wey dey my table wey I gats share give the general public. The cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Senator RI0USLY, he na the leader of the Kwankwasia movement, and he still be the 2023 presidential candidate of the new Nigeria People's Party. Like this night don come outside though, they sama accused, and the accused be say Lagos they encroach on northern Nigeria's governance and economy. In the yarn all this level for inside the convocation of Skyline University with the for inside Kano. Oga Kwankwaso Konde alleged say the governance of Kano State and their emirate system are being influenced by external forces from Lagos, and it comes to the yarn say all the decisions wey they make regarding the emir of Kano are now being dictated from Lagos, and they reduce the emir to a stooge. According to how Yanam my good people, he said today Lagos no go allow them now to choose an emir. Say Lagos now don dey come to the center of Kano to put their own emir. All these levels now my good people, they come from Oga Rabiu Kwankwaso, and I am the 2023 presidential candidate of the new Nigerian People's party and im na still former minister of defence. Im come still dey express concern over economic interference, particularly in tax reforms. He say Lagos young men now they are very much working hard to impose taxes and take away their taxes from Kano to Lagos. He say even telephone sef wey dem register for inside Kano now they don dey tax am for inside Lagos. He come dey accuse the Lagos-based interest of pressuring businesses wey dey for inside Kano and the northern regions make dem relocate their headquarters come Lagos. Oga Kwankwaso come dey urge northern lawmakers so make dem dey vigilant against policies wey go fit disadvantage their region. And e no pause there, my good people. Oga Kwankwaso come still proceed further dey criticize the past decision of the legislative. He come dey yarn say dem force the northern representatives into supporting laws wey dey detrimental to their economy. And according to how im take yarn, he say we are all witnesses to wetin happen for inside the year 1999 to the year 2000, where our National Assembly members were bribed into supporting offshore laws. That law now e come deal a huge blow to the northern economy, and e come dey call for collective resistance. E come dey give warning say this continued external interference e fit weaken the northern Nigeria's autonomy o. He say the thing go last come get negative effects wey countrymen no go fit believe their eye o. So it is better they start to dey work now against any jagoda policy wey go put their region in a disadvantaged position. And no be lie, my good people, the time wey that tax reform come board, some northern people dem kick against am. Even the former chief whip of the Nigerian Senate wey dey go by the name Ali Indume, him too be kick against the level. He talk say e no make sense at all. But wetin come surprise many country people be say gradually some groups for inside the northern region they come dey support the tax reform bill. They come dey welcome am, they come dey take am like a welcome development. They come even dey talk bad against Ali Indume wey bin speak out for the northern region. They come dey yarn say na because of men like him wey no sabi lead na why the northern region dey as e dey so. Make the man pack go one side say he no dey speak for the entire northern region. So if you want talk, make him talk for himself. But the northern region, they welcome the tax reform bill. After all those level, Ali Indume kukumayo plaster for one corner like person wey no like Ozeba. This my good people na the information I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our nation Nigeria. So if you like this informate and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, na go first receive the update and you go get them sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside with nation Nigeria. And they come inside the game with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.